Today we will learn about how to divide the integers. Okay, we will learn that one with the help of this one example. Divide the following. Sub question A, negative 135 divided by 5. How we can divide? Before going to divide this, we should know some of the signs of the division, or we can say division on signs we should know. As I have told you in multiplication, same to same, here also we will follow with division. Okay. Plus positive and positive, negative and negative, positive with negative. Another one is negative with positive. We will get the results based on this all. Okay. When we divide the number, positive number by the positive, we get the result also as a positive. When we divide negative number by the negative number, result will be the negative, will become the positive. This is the two things you have to remember. When we divide the positive number by positive number, result will be positive. When we divide the negative number by the negative, that time also result will be positive. The meaning of that, when we divide the numbers with same sign, result will be always positive. That's the thing you have to remember. And next one condition is that when we divide the positive number by negative, result will be negative. Even when we divide the negative number by the positive, result will be the negative. The meaning of this one that when we divide the numbers with opposite signs, result will be always negative. This way you have to remember the division on signs. Okay, using that we will divide this number and we'll get the answer for that. So to divide that, first we take the number and we'll write it as a fraction type so that we can do the cancellation easily. Including sign, we'll write negative 1, leave little space and write next digit 3, again leave little space, then write the next digit 5. Now I written in the numerator negative 135 and in the denominator I have to write this positive 5, so I will write here, or you can write it in ones place only so that we can cancel it with the places. Whenever we cancelling, we are already knows that how to do it. 5 ones are 5. Okay, we'll cancel 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 13 minus 10, we get a remainder as 3. 3 and 5 forms the number 35. 5 sevens are 35. We got remainder as 0. Now finally we will write the answer, that is whenever you are writing the question, first do the division of sign. In the numerator we have negative. In the denominator there is no sign, means it is positive. When we divide the negative number by the positive number, result according to that fourth condition, it will be negative. So I written the negative. After cancellation, we got the quotient as 27. That 27 I will write here. This way we will divide it. B1 is here. The number is 114 divided by negative of, first we have to write the equal sign. We'll write the dividend as the numerator, leaving the space between the digits. We'll draw the vinculum on the line, and in the denominator we have negative 19. For this you have to form the 19's multiple. So number 19's multiple or 9's multiple which ends with 4 we have to check. So 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18, 9 threes are 24. 24 means it may be possible with 3. We check. No, so 9 threes are 24. 54 I am getting. 54 is not this one. So then we have to go for the next. 9 fours are 36. 9 fives are 45. 9 sixes are. So if we multiply with 6, I will get the same number. 6 into 5, it is 54. Okay, 5 as a carry, and then 6 1 the 6, 6 plus 5, 114, which means it is 19 1s are 19 6s are. After that, I have to write the final answer. To write the final answer, first we'll divide the sign. So in the numerator we have positive, in the denominator we have negative. That is the third condition, which means positive divided by negative, we get the result as negative. So I will write the negative, and we got the quotient as 6. Whoever has got negative 6 as the answer, it's all correct. I hope you have done the same way. Okay. That's fine. Now many of you have written negative 6. That's correct. Now I will give remaining all the 4 questions, and you have to solve it your own. And after the while, I will also solve the same sums. So here I will write this all the questions. Start solving. Question number C is negative 104 divided by negative 8. After that, you have to solve for the D. I will write here, that is negative 189 divided by positive 11. Then we have E. E is very simple and easily anyone can solve it. It is using the properties. Negative 56 divided by negative 50, positive 56, and F, that is negative of 1000 divided by negative of 20. Okay, I will give you 4 sums are there, so I will give you 6 minutes to solve. You may get half mark. Just look at the same sum. I will write like this: 104 divided by negative 8, and I will do the cancellation, and I will write here as what? 13. And here I will write it as negative 30. For this, you will get half mark. Reason is very simple. You have done the cancellation. Because of that, you are getting half mark. Suppose if you skipped this cancellation and if you written directly as a negative answer, it will give you 0. Why you want to lose half mark? Half mark is also most important. So because of that, I am expecting you to solve with the steps so that we can understand the division of sign also. We can do the cancellation. So now we got the 13, as you know, and then division by negative number divided by negative number results as the positive number. Please correct everyone. If your sign is wrong, negative and of all if you got, make it as positive. So now moving to the D, same to same we'll write negative 187 divided by 11. Easily we can divide 11 ones are 11, 11 ones are 11, 7 remainder we get 7 and 7, 77, 11 sevens are 77. 17 we got a question. Before writing the 17 as a question, do the division of sign. Negative divided by positive will be negative 70. So this way we will get, and this is very simple, easily we can do it. As you can see, negative 56 will write it in the numerator because that is the dividend. Positive 56 will write it in the divisor because that is the divisor, or denominator will write. And now 15 is the same number divided by same number is 1. Now we have to multiply or divide the signs. Negative divided by positive will be negative, and answer quotient we got 1. Answer will be negative 1. Coming to the F, negative 1000 divided by negative 20. 0, 0 get cancels, 2 ones are, 2 fives are, 2 zeros are. We got quotient as 50. Negative divided by negative will be positive, that is positive 50, or you just write the only 50. So this way we have to solve. Evaluate the following. They are given us to find the solution for this given expression. The expression is negative 14 divided by bracket of negative 5 divided by negative 9. Okay, it's not divide, actually it is plus. So now let's solve for that, how we can do this. Let's take that as I told according to board mass we have to solve. First we will solve only for the bracket. When we are solving only for the bracket, inside the bracket we get this all the operations. That is negative 5 plus negative 9. What is the answer we get in this? Negative 14 will write as it is. Division will write as it is. Bracket we will write as it is. This bracket also will write as it is. I told you to do the sign multiplication. Positive into negative, negative 5. Positive into negative, negative 9. And then again we write this negative 14 as it is. Division as it is. Bracket we write as it is. Negative 5, negative 9, positive 14. Okay, so that's why you have to remember what are the signs on the addition you should remember. On addition, what are the signs we get? Positive number plus positive number is positive number. Negative number plus negative number is then how it will become positive? Negative number plus negative number is negative number. Positive number, then positive of negative number, or else negative number plus positive will become positive. So here in these two things it depends on greater number sign. You have to remember this. When we are doing multiplication and or division, that time it will remains positive into or division by positive will be always positive. Negative number if you take, either you multiply or divide. Negative number by negative number, result will be positive. Even when it is positive, another one is negative and it is negative, another one is positive. Multiplication and division, multiplication and division. In these two conditions, result will be what? Negative. Remember this. These are the three things you have to remember. Negative and negative result will be negative. And next, I have already told you how to do it. We have so far as of now done it. Negative 14 divided by negative 14 is equals to 14 ones are 14, 14 ones are 14. Negative divided by negative. Here is the condition. Negative divided by negative. Second condition. Negative divided by negative is positive. Positive means we may write, may not write. It does not affect. 1 divided by 1 is 1. This way we will do the division. B will be negative 42 divided by 3 divided by 7. So in this question, as I told you all, according to board mass, we have to solve for the bracket first. So we'll solve for this entire bracket and then we will do the next steps. So because of that, I will write the bracket as it is. So this, if I solve negative 42 divided by 3 and this division by 7, I will keep it aside. So once you do that, it is divisible by 3. 3 ones are 3 ones are 3 fours are 3 14s are 42. So answer we get it as negative divided by positive will be negative 14. We got it in the bracket divided by 7. Now again we write it in negative 14 divided by 7. Correct. 7 ones are 7 twos are. We got negative divided by positive as negative. Then I will solve this last sum C. C1 is negative 8. There are two brackets in this and we have to solve for that. Let's look at that, how we can solve. As I told, according to the board mass, we have to solve for the bracket. Here there are two brackets. We solve for this bracket as well as this bracket at a time. Because according to board mass, we have to solve for the bracket first. So that's we will do it. So once we do it, as you can see in this, we have this negative 8 and negative 4. We'll do the sign multiplication. Negative 8 plus 4 it will become. Division sign, bracket. Positive of negative will be negative 2 plus 0. We done sign multiplication. Now we have to do the operation for this. Negative 8, negative 4 means we have to find the difference. Difference of 4 and 8 will be 4 and greater number sign is negative. So we written as a negative 4. And then division. Any number added to the 0 will be the same number. It is the identity, additive identity. Because of that, answer is always a negative 2, or else you can subtract 0 into, you will get to greater number sign, again it is negative. And now we have to divide these two numbers. So one number is negative 4, another number is negative 2. 2 ones are 2 twos are. Negative by negative will be positive and it will be 2. So that's the answer.